Folks, today we're going to show a video of how to replace a keyless doorknob. This is the main part, and this is the part that's this is the part that's broken from the old one. So we can just replace this, but I opted to replace the whole thing. Who cares? We've got here instructions on how to install it. It's very easy to follow. Now this part you want to make sure that it is in place when you install the doorknobs, because this serves as a reinforcement for where to mount the door locks, because the door itself by itself is not sturdy enough to hold the piece in place. So that those two pieces serves as an reinforcement. Now this part right here, you want to make sure that it's installed the right way. First I'll show you the wrong way, and if you install it the wrong way like that, you won't be able to make it work. This is the right way. In screwing this part, you want to make sure that you don't over tighten it, because the door itself is made out of PVC, very light material, and you can easily destroy it. So make sure you just have the right pressure just to hold the thing in place. And also this part right here, you want to make sure that it comes in the front. This is the front part of the doorknob. You want to make sure that it's placed in the front of the door. And if you notice here, while I'm working the doorknob, the thing that retracts doesn't go in all the way. So that will be a problem if you don't check this out, and you finish installing it and fail to check that out, and you close it, you won't be able to open it. You won't be able to open that. So you will have to make sure that that retracts all the way in. Now at this point, I don't know what's wrong, but I don't know what's the problem. So I had to investigate, and firstly I checked this part if this part is defective by retracting it all the way. Yeah, and it does retract, so this piece is not a problem. So after further investigation, I found out what I was doing wrong. I was inserting the front part the wrong way. You see that? Those spot. Yes, you want to make sure that those tubes gets in the slot, the right slot, right there. And then you have to, this time you replace the back part of the unit, and then screw it in. Now in screwing it in, you wanna start initially by using just your fingers to make sure that the screws goes in the right way. Because if it goes in the wrong way, you feel a little bit of pressure, and if you still push and force it in with the screwdriver, you're going to ruin the screws. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you install it first, initially with your fingers, as far as possible, like so. And then use your screwdriver to drive it all the way in. And I want to make sure this is tight enough to where the doorknob is snug and secure. You don't want any play or movement with those doorknobs. You want it tight and secure. You want to test if this thing works. Close it. Okay, the purpose of the keyless entry is just so if there's somebody locked inside and accidentally he's incapable of opening from the inside, just get any flat piece and you can open it just like that. Now and lastly, this piece you want to replace too, and clean that spot where the old part was installed, and then install the new one. Again, on this part you don't want to over tighten the screws, because the door jamb there is also made out of PVC plastic. It's real thin, it's fragile, so you don't want to over tighten it. You can easily ruin the plastic. Just make sure that you have just the right amount of pressure to hold that piece in place. So there you have it, folks. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please press like, subscribe, and post your comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.